What is today?
I take it.
Show me what you got.
I got Zuma. It's Zuma and Guy. Guy 5.
What else did you get?
I got my...
Did you get McQueen socks?
Yeah, I got Teen stuff.
Did you also get a backpack and a bike?
Nope.
I thought you got a backpack.
A bike and a backpack. You didn't get a bike and a backpack?
Yeah.
Oh, you did. Okay. What's that? What is it? Can you tell us?
Is that a turtle thing?
That's not the turtle.
Oh, Dave's on his
It's
way.
a booming.
Please, he's gonna come soon.
Guy.
Oh. You want me to say some stuff? Okay. Well, I got this. I got some vanilla filled candies and a Star Wars cup and a Minecraft math book.
Mine.
And Lyndon. Well, whatever. Wait. Lyndon has a Star Wars cup and I do too.
Yep.
Pretty epic.
This is my cup.
And he got it looks like he got the chocolate ones.
You got chocolate. Ooh, Lyndon, here.
Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy Star Wars cups.
Yeah, we do.
Cheers.
Cheers. Say cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Cheers.